Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, sitting in my living room, and today we are going to plan our next Rustic Road ride. So yes, that's what we're doing today, another Rustic Road, but we got to figure out which one we're going to do, okay? So let me get to the Wisconsin DOT website. That's the Department of Transportation. I know every state has different callings for their motor vehicle division, okay? In Wisconsin, it's the Department of Transportation. Okay, so last time we came up to the northwest area and did number 122, the newest road that's on the map as of this moment. Yes, there will be more, I'm sure, at some point, but right now 122 is our newest. And then previously before that, we did 106 down here in the southeast area. So that quadrant and that quadrant are done for the year. So what I'm thinking, I think I want to stay down here. I'm not quite ready to go up into this northeast area just yet. So I'm thinking I want to stay somewhere down through here. And again, I want a nice full day of riding. I really don't want to do a few hours out and a few hours back, okay? It's not what I'm into. I like to be out for a good full day of riding, you know, 8, 10, 12-hour rides. That's what I like. So what I'm thinking, the county of La Crosse has quite a few. So the county of La Crosse has 3 up there. So let's take a look at those 3 and see what they offer. Okay, 64. It's just this little horseshoe shape here. 2.7 miles. That's basically what we did on the last one. I want something a little bit longer than that. I tell you, the short ones, just as you're getting into it, all of a sudden they're done. Let's see what this 31 has. Actually looks like it goes through town. It says that it's West Salem right here, so this would be the outline of the town, all that lined area. That's weird that it goes through a town. Again, 2.6 miles though. Come on, I want something a little longer. All right, let's try the number 26. All right, there we go. That's a little bit better. 5.3 miles. Yes, it's a little bit longer. Not a lot, but a little bit. You know, it's almost twice as far as the other one. Completely paved. Nice. Okay, so location: Southwest Wisconsin, La Crosse County. The road is County MM. So, yep, right there, it says MM. Beginning and ending at US 14 and US 61. So yes, right here is US 14 and 61, goes through there, and as you can see, it connects. The Crosse County MM combines beautiful scenery and history. It offers the traveler views of the Mississippi River Valley, the Wisconsin Great River Road, and the Mormon Coulee Creek Valley. Brinkman's Bridge provides a panorama of the Mississippi River, including the wildlife refuge at Goose Island. This route also passes the 1854 Oehler Mill site, I think that's how you pronounce that, as well as a century-old root cellar. That's cool. I'm going to take it that this right here is the Oehler Mill site. I'm almost positive that's what that's going to be. The root cellar, I can't imagine that we'd actually see that from the road. I mean, just looking at this picture here, I can't really say that, oh, that right there is the root cellar, or that over there is. I just can't. So maybe we'll be able to see it on the road, who knows. But yeah, that actually looks good. I say we go up and ride Rustic Road 26. Okay guys, here we are, Rustic Road 26. Excellent. Highway 14 is very busy, so take your time with it. Just try to enjoy it as much as possible. But right now, I'm going to enjoy that as much as possible. So I need to take my picture real quick and get it ready to be sent into the DOT. What I'm doing, I think I saw something, I'm going to double check it, but I think I saw something about having 100 roads and you get a master's certificate. But I'm going to double check that to make sure. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen and let you know. But right now, I need to take my picture. Okay guys, here we go. Rustic Road number 26. Again, I have never been on this road. And look at that, you get hit with some tight turns right away. I was wondering if he was going to make it all the way up or not. He went flying past me as I was setting up to take off. Oh wow, nice panoramics, yes. So yeah, I think the description is going to be right about all the visuals that we're going to be able to see on this road. Barn there, I like that. Gotta keep my eyes on the road though. Now that is one of the bad things about driving through a scenic area and having a curvy road. You want to sit there and you want to look at things and you kind of can't. You gotta be mindful of that road in front of you. So yeah, this is actually 5.3 miles. I'm mowing her lawn and the Boochie was walking right next to her. I am kind of curious on that, whoa. That was a little bit faster or a little bit sharper than I thought it was going to be. I am very curious on what the Brink Bridge is going to be like. So supposedly it's supposed to be a really good view from there. Seeing a lot of birds flying from tree to tree. Again, I'm not seeing much for signage to tell me, you know, what the curves are rated at for speed. I mean, that's kind of the fun in it, right? You just don't know. But at the same time, you want to rip through them as fast as you can. Wow, big tower. Oh wow, look at that view over there. Alright, so the hills that you see over there, that is the far side of the Mississippi River, so that is Iowa over there. got some Mississippi River views, and over here we got some nice views. Look at that, wow. Now I have no idea where that Oehler farm is, or whatever it was called. I have no idea. Oh, finally they gave me a sign. Okay, so 25. So I can probably rip down through here at about 35. Yeah, that Oehler farmhouse, I have no idea where that's at. Nice curves. Oh, beautiful. Whoa, that one was a bit tighter. Slowed it down to about 30 for that one. Nice. I like turning with that rock formation right on my side over here. That's nice. Oh, this road has been fun. I feel like I'm rocking a baby to sleep. So nice. It does get me though, because I'm seeing tire marks going off the whoa, yeah, like that. I'm seeing tire marks going over the center line, and I'm always nervous that some car is going to be flying up on the other side and crossing over that center line. 15 mile an hour. Is that somebody's driveway? Fire lane. Okay. Well, looks like we're getting into the residential area. Too busy looking for the houses and stuff. Oh, that's the barn garage that they put up on the web page. All right. Says that the speed limit dropped down to 35, which is basically what I've been doing, really. So yeah, we're kind of just on the outskirts of La Crosse, and so we have a little bit of residential. And this will be, this is the end right here. It's technically going to be up by that stop sign, but I want to say that this is the end right here. That way I'm not blocking the stop sign up there. Okay guys, so I've ridden the road a couple of times already and got some secondary footage. I would normally like to sit there and set up the camera and do drive-by shots and stuff like that, but I tell you, those curves and hills are so steep and blind, I just don't feel safe setting up the camera and turning around. You know, somebody could come around a corner and run into the back of me or something. You know, I just don't feel safe doing it. That's how sharp and curvy this road really is. It's a wonderful road. It really is. I loved every aspect of it. And in fact, my last ride through that I just got, I got a deer that was out on the road. I think the 360 camera caught it. And so yeah, I'll show you that footage now. All right, but we experienced it firsthand together. Okay, I did not pre-ride this thing, and I mean, you can tell I got caught off guard by a couple of those sharp curves. Just an amazing little road, really was. 5.3 miles, and I was smiling the whole time. So this is Mark saying thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. I've got this like chorizo pizza thing that I like to make every so often, so I think I'm going to make that for my next video. And then after that, I'm not sure. We might get out on a hike on the Ice Age Trail. Maybe we'll finish off the Military Ridge Trail, or maybe we'll even start the Cheese Country Trail. Don't know yet, so we'll find out when we get there. All right, I'll see you guys next week, 11 o'clock Wednesdays Central Time, okay? All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.